In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Namecheap SSL certificate from your website. And I'll also show you the difference between disabling HTTPS redirection and fully uninstalling the certificate in cPanel. This is important because sometimes people only want to stop the browser from forcing HTTPS, while in other cases, they actually need to remove the installed SSL certificate from the domain completely. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your hosting list and then click Go to cPanel for the hosting account that contains the website you want to manage. This will open your cPanel dashboard, where most of the SSL settings are controlled. Now in cPanel, look for the section called Exclusive for Namecheap Customers. Inside that area, click Namecheap SSL. This is the Namecheap SSL plugin, and it's where you can view the SSL status for your domain and manage certain SSL-related settings. Once the Namecheap SSL page opens, find your domain in the list and check the SSL status. This helps you confirm whether the certificate is active, installed, or already managed through Namecheap's system. If your goal is not to remove the certificate itself, but simply to stop visitors being automatically redirected to HTTPS, then you do not need to uninstall anything. Instead, look for the HTTPS redirect option in the Namecheap SSL plugin and disable it. This is especially relevant for Namecheap's free shared hosting SSL because Namecheap provides this option specifically for controlling the redirect behavior. Disabling HTTPS redirect will stop the automatic redirect from HTTP to HTTPS, which is useful if you are testing a site, troubleshooting redirect loops, or temporarily needing visitors to stay on the non-secure version. However, if you need to actually remove an installed certificate, then you need to work inside the SSL TLS area of cPanel. To do that, go back to your cPanel home screen and open Security, then click SSL TLS Certificates. This section contains the installed certificates associated with your account. Once you're in the SSL TLS area, go to the installation section. Here, you'll see the certificates currently installed on your domains. Find the certificate that belongs to your domain and then select Uninstall. After that, confirm the removal when prompted. Keep in mind that cPanel's Uninstall option disables the certificate from being active on the domain, but the certificate may still remain stored in cPanel. So if you're expecting it to disappear completely from every list, that may not always happen. What matters is that it is no longer installed and serving your website. After you finish, it's a good idea to check your website in the browser and make sure the HTTPS behavior is exactly what you want. If the site is no longer redirecting or if the certificate is no longer active, then the change was successful. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a Namecheap SSL certificate from your website and how to disable HTTPS redirect if that's all you needed. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple web hosting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.